Okay, Nibiru experiment number 1. In the center you see two magnets. This one actually is a third magnet with a bunch of iron oxide attached to it, which we are going to refer to as the brown dwarf. There's planet Earth. There's our current sun, making sure that we stay on our axis and our correct polarities as we rotate the sun. Now let's add a third figure into play besides our moon. We will call this little tiny magnet. As you can see, very similar in size, but very small in size in comparison to even our Earth magnet or our larger sun. Let's just go ahead and run this by the polarities being correct and see what happens as this thing comes by, what happens to our Earth. Now let's keep taking this around the sun. Try not to mess with anything else. Let's come around. Try to take the same path. And let's keep going. As you see, it had no adverse effects. It only flipped us one time. However, there is a potential possibility for another scenario. Whereas if you're taking this and you run it by, there's the one run here where it comes around our sun, coming back, and it flips us again. It all depends on just how close it passes. Now, that's one scenario. That's just with Nibiru of what is going to happen possibly to our poles. Something definitely will happen. Here's what happens when you have an item such as this brown dwarf coming by with all of the debris that of course it's leaving in its wake. Or coming by with the magnetism of it. It of course also messes with our poles. But as this comes back around, as you can see, it doesn't do anything to our poles. Here's the concern. As you can see, the debris that it has left, that will be a plasma field that our Earth, as it rotates around in this counterclockwise circle, will run through. Not once, but twice. It is in these meteors that we should worry. That is the best example I can give. Hope it's short enough. Hope it explains a little bit. Good luck.